Hey guys, welcome to a brand new video. Today we're gonna be unboxing the Huawei FreeBuds SE 2. Yep, yeah, I got these for around 20 bucks and and I want to unboxing video for it. The first impressions and a review. Okay, let's unbox it. Also, I got this in the blue color. The three colors. It's white, blue and black. There we go. Should be inside this box. Let's open it. And there we go. The Huawei FreeBuds SE2. They're in Chinese. I can't understand this. Okay. Nice. Huawei FreeBuds SE2. And a little bit on specifications. This is eye blue, ceramic white and the graphite black. And let's unbox it and then we'll continue the specifications. Yeah, I'm gonna need scissors. Okay, I'm back. I just got a small pin. It's gonna use this to open it. There's plastic wrapping on top, and here we have the main box. It's kind of like pushed into the. Okay, I think it opens from. It should open from here. Okay, let me try that. Oh my god, why did they even have to put such a complicated packaging? It's so hard. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's really hard to open it. I think it's supposed to come out like. No. Okay. Okay. And there we go. We have some Chinese text. I think it's how to connect it, yeah. Okay, put it to this side. And here we have it. Yo, this looks so premium. Okay. Oh my, so shiny. Yo, it does the pop-up thing. Oh, that just looks. Oh, they look so nice. Yo, I love this. The such thing, there's a pairing button, and if you wanna pair it, you have to do this. I'm gonna pair it later, and let's go a little bit on the specifications of this. Wait. Okay, for specifications, the dimensions of the earbuds are 33.66 millimeters times 17.83 and 18.13. The charging case is 50.40 millimeters. Of course, it varies. Each earbud is around 3.8 grams the weight, and the charging is around 33. Now the battery capacity It is a lithium-ion polymer battery. The earbuds have a 41 million power value for each earbud, and the charging case is 510 milliamp hours. That's the minimum value. Now the battery life. Each earbud gets around 9 hours after a full charge and 40 hours with multiple charges with the case. Yes, and it for voice calling it has 5 hours after a full charge and 24 hours with multiple charges in the charging case. It it does have USB-C, so it will work with most cables because most of them are USB-C, and charging durations is approximately 60 minutes. And charging the empty charging case with a cable is approximately 110 minutes. Yeah, and the data comes from the Huawei lab tests at an ambient temperature of 25 degrees Celsius, so it may vary between user and user. The controls. If you tap twice, you can answer or end the call. You can play the previous or the next track, resume pause the playback, or wake up the voice assistant. So, for example, Siri or Google Assistant or Gemini, whatever. Now there's an indicator down here, a light indicator, which it shows when you open it blue and like green when it's fully charged, and when you close it just turns off and it's green. The material of the earbuds are plastic, same for the charging case. It has Bluetooth 5.3 and it does have the pairing pop-up on the Huawei phones, but for other Android phones it does not have it, but you can recreate it with like a third-party app on the Play Store. For the Huawei phones it does require MUI 10 or later. It has a touch sensor, we talked about that. It has a 10.0 millimeter dynamic driver unit, and it has noise cancellation call, but it's not fully noise cancelling, so it's like it reduces most of the noises around you. The audio format is LBC and AAC, and it has an IP54, but the case is not water resistant. In the boxes we get the earbuds, the left and the right, the charging case, and the warranty and the quick start guide, and the USB-C charging cable. I don't think I got that. Yeah, I definitely did not get the cable. That's weird. Yeah, and that's all, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'm gonna say it again. If you wanna buy earphones that are affordable, that are nice and with good noise, I completely recommend these ones. I have looked a lot of other ones, and I'm gonna say the Huawei ones are the ones I like. Yeah. That's it, guys, for today's video. And one thing, if you wanna prune a bird, I'm gonna say it again, you're gonna have to hold both of these, and I think that's done. Well, let me check if I can see it. The Bluetooth menu. Oops. Okay, gonna turn on Bluetooth and let's see. Yep, there we go. Here the Huawei FreeBuds SE, and you just click it and then you can spare it like that. Thanks, guys, so much for watching. That's all for this video, and I'm gonna hopefully see you in the next video. Bye, guys.